gentlemen, hello and welcome back to Software Inc. My name, of course, is Robert Potato. We're back and the game has been updated. It is now in Alpha 5.4, so that is great news. And we've sort of got a redesigned menu that I think looks much nicer. We can see our existing save, the tiny little office that we've got going on. Let's click continue. Let's get back into the game, see what else has been changed. Oh, wow. Alright, so this is all changed up here. What the heck? Okay, so you can now separate the different stages. So we've got development, design, marketing, support, and project management. Okay, that's cool. Anything else changed down here? Not really. Might be able to get some deals again. We've been a bit devoid of deals recently, but we've got 1.3 million. So, you know what? I'm okay with that. Yeah, so I think we're going to try and get an operating system up and running today. I'm not entirely sure if we have already done an operating system. Where's our releases? Can we get our releases somewhere, please? Well, all software, it doesn't really matter. And then sort by company, and we will, of course, be called the Orbital Potato Inc. second, and we want operating system? Yeah, we've got one operating system called Next, and that, of course, made us a fair amount of money, which is, can we sell it? Nobody's interested in buying it. Are you kidding me? It's great value. Yeah, we're definitely going to make an operating system. As soon as the assets have done, the alpha team is done with the assets, as soon as the beta team is done with the assets, and as soon as the Charlie team is done with the web-based game, and then we will start doing it, and then the alpha team will also probably pitch in if they want to. Or we could just give it to the alpha team. Giving it to the alpha team is potentially something that we could do. I'm not entirely sure. I haven't thought about it. Right, wait a minute. Wait a pea-picking minute. Why are these people not working? No, that is simply not good enough. Alright, let's get some stuff on the tables. We can do some modern computers. In fact, oh yeah, we were totally going to upgrade everybody's computer to modern computers. That's a beautiful idea. Alright. Oh, we've already done it. What a crazy awesome dude I am. Oh man, it's been a while, as you can see. It's been a while since I've played it. Alright. Okay, we can get a receptionist. We'll get a receptionist in. We'll get a coffee machine there. Any other space for a coffee machine? Not really. I guess I'll place a table down or whatever. So we can have a coffee machine in here, coffee machine in there, and a coffee machine in here. Great. Alright, where's the espresso machine? That's right. It might be the most expensive, but it's also the best. And we give nothing but the best to our staff, which is exactly what we stand for. Alright, so this requires a server. We don't have a server, though. Ooh, information. Huh. Pretty cool. Alright, can we place a server? I think we might as well. It's worth trying to place a server. Do we have a server room? We don't really have a server room. I think this corridor will do. This corridor that doesn't even have a door there. Yeah, that works. Alright. Can we put a door in there? Standard door? Beautiful. We didn't even have a door in that corridor. What an idiot. Alright, let's go. Let's continue. We spent a little bit of money on there. That's fine. Marketing department is busy marketing. 6 months left in the alpha, or 6 months left to do this this contract mission for team beta. That's fine. Why are you sleeping? Why are you not doing any work? This worries me. Whatever, it doesn't matter. Team beta is working away. We'll promote that. Go to the next stage. Skip to the next day. A product has been reviewed. Fantastic. What the heck has been reviewed? Malware trap alarm. Oh, that's great. And it looks like we were actually successful with it. 200 grand in sales. That's pretty good. You know, I feel we're getting to the point in the game now where we can just perpetually, it can be automated forever. We're never gonna... Okay, let's release that. We'll get 37 grand worth of money. Wait a minute. Why are you... 58% effectiveness. This place is dirty. Do we not hire a cleaner? Yeah, we do. Why is this not working? Okay, I guess that's fine. We'll hire a receptionist as well. Get her to come in. Get her to see what's going on. All right, you come in now. All right, you come in then. All right, great. Yeah, so we'll get the guys in tonight. We'll try not to skip forward in time, and hopefully that'll work perfectly. Team Beta, you can have the rest of the day off because tomorrow we are going to be designing a operating system with you guys. So important day tomorrow. Important day tomorrow. All right, we're in 3 times speed. Let's change this lady's reception hours. All right, there we go. 15 employees went on vacation. Are you kidding me? Are you serious? As in, genuinely. What the heck am I supposed to do with 0 employees? Literally everybody. Literally everybody. Well, this gives us a great chance to develop the operating system that we always wanted to. Operating system. We're gonna call it. In fact, you know what? It's gonna be a sequel to the highly successful Next, which is insignificant, but it made us a lot of money. So you know what? We'll go with Next. We'll call it Next 2. Next to nothing, more like. There we go. Next to nothing. Graphical user interface, 3D rendering, plug and play, multitasking, multi-threading, networking, auto-updating, 8-bit audio, HD audio, quality assurance. It's going to take less than a year. Recommended team size is, however, 24. Not great. Not great. Not great at all. Server 0, SCM. I guess we'll do that. And we're going to distribute that to the Team Beta. There we go. Approximately 5 years. Huh. 5 years. You know what? Team Beta hasn't been doing anything recently, so why the heck not? We'll give it to them. Alright, so 15 employees going on vacation has sort of set us back. Some of your electronics are being affected by the heat. Why? Why would they be affected by the heat? It's 20 degrees Celsius in here. 19 in there. 19 in there. 19 in there. 14 in there. 15 in... What? Oh, there's 40 degrees in this room. That's a bit of a joke. Alright, let me get a fan. Let me get a fan in there. You know what? I might as well put a radiator in there as well. Of course, because this is our server room. This actually means something now. Alright, there we go. Will that bring the temperature down? There we go. It's now only a sweet 21. Alright, everybody's back from their vacation. That's good. Everybody's back. Everybody should have, yeah, a good effectiveness, a good high effectiveness. That's what we like to see. Oh, that's great. Great. And Team Beta is going to be working on this when they eventually get in. Which should be soon, actually. I mean, if we need some real pros, then we can always switch it over to Team Alpha. But you know, for now, I don't really think we will. I think it's fine just using Team Beta. I mean, it's going to take a long time. It's going to take a really, really long time to develop. Yeah, it's going to take a long time. Upcoming events. Okay, great. That's nothing of interest to us. Is there any way that we can sort of manage a team and say, okay, temporarily, we're going to create these guys. We're going to merge these guys into one team. Maybe? No? I don't know. Because this is going to take a long, long time. I don't know. It's interesting. It's interesting. I don't really know how we can go about doing this. I mean, can we combine Team Alpha and Team Beta together? Would that be okay? I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. We'll do that later, though. We'll do that later. All right. Get the cleaners in. I don't know why the cleaners come in at such ridiculous times. Get them in at like, yeah, 8 to 12. 8 to 12. No, 7 to 11. 7 to 11. Great. We see no receptionist. I have no idea where this receptionist is. There is no deals on the table. That is a real shame. We are going to take her off our payroll. Get out. Get out. An employee is finding trouble finding the toilet. Well, uh-oh. Irene Cunningham wants to quit. Oh my goodness. Accept demand. Okay, so you literally want 40 more pounds. Yeah? You can have an extra £5 in salary. Oh, we need maintenance. We need somebody that's a permanent maintenance guy. Oh my goodness. Alright, things are smoking. Things are smoking real hot. Call maintenance. Get maintenance on the phone. Yeah, fix it. Fix it, guys. Oh my goodness. And you fix the smoking toilet as well. That looks like nothing but trouble right there. But what do I know? I don't know much about fixing toilets, I'll be honest with you guys. Alright. When do the maintenance guys, when are they set to come in? 8 to 12? Yeah, that's cool. I'm cool with that. 8 to 12 is pretty decent. Alright, Team Beta, you gotta go to work. You've got to go to work. We need to make sure that we are up. We are up in monies. This small web-based game, this is gonna be good for us, I reckon. It's gonna be really, really popular. Uh-oh. Team Alpha hasn't been able to do any work. Ah. Okay, this is a slight little setback. I did, of course, forget that we needed seats. Needing seats is something of a requirement in an office environment, but, you know, again, what do I know? Alright, there we go. Okay, so we can actually see the progress bar increase on this for once, or we will tomorrow, that's what I mean to say. Alright, great. Some employees are calling in sick. I really could not care less about the employees that are calling in sick. Not interested in that. Not interested in that at all. Okay, we are still talking to press on this. I think we'll probably just end it after today, actually. Because we've been using a lot of press money recently. Not something I'm too keen on. No matter. Oh, and our reputation is going up. That's what I like to see. That's great news. Alright. Delegate for Team Alpha. Team Alpha is working away. IT person. You're doing nothing, as you usually do. Alright, what is this? Wage negotiations. Accept all. The raises averages £105, which net change is... Oh, that's nothing. Totally nothing. Air Simulator. I did not even know that we were designing Air Simulator. Well, I'm glad that we were designing Air Simulator. That's fantastic news. And it looks like our reputation is going to climb to completely new heights. Crazy, huh? Absolutely crazy. Alright. Okay. Oh, throw out. We don't need this anymore. Throw out. Stop. Stop. Stop time. Throw out. Cancel. Alright, Team Alpha. Team Alpha. You are getting merged with Team Beta. Alright? Disband. Team Beta. You are getting people who are not in... Alright, we need all employees. Where's all employees? Manage employees. Okay. We need somebody who's not... We need guys who are not in the team. Right, you guys... You are going to be changing team to Team Beta. There we go. The compatibility just rose ever so slightly. And that's fine. That doesn't really matter. And now, everybody should be working on this next to nothing thingamabobber. That's fine. Oh, also, we also need to really consider changing up our insurance policies. Alright, so we need to make sure that we are giving more to these guys. We're going to put a bunch of money into our insurance account. Probably $1 million. Alright. We need to attract senior level employees. Deposit a bit more? Yeah, deposit a bit more. And then we need to try and recruit some people. Hire employees. £600. Programmers. 2D, 3D. Let's go for some 3D programmers. Why not? And we will sort them by score. And we'll interview them. These guys aren't even that good. They're good programmers, I suppose, but that's about it. That doesn't seem, you know, crazy awesome. These senior level guys, they don't seem that great, to be honest. I guess we'll hire this guy just to sort of test things out, see what happens. And then we'll sort of change our insurance policies back. 50-50, you know, 50-50 junior, 50-50 senior. Great. Alright. We did hire a dude who is going to be on the other team, I guess. Alright. Manage employees, that's the one that I meant. Accept and close. Happy days. Team Beta really needs to get this done. Needs to get it done ASAP. See, but you know, there's... See, look at this guy. He only costs this much money, and this guy is, like, terrible. Change teams, Team Beta. There we go. Alright, so this is going to take a really, really long time to develop, and it's probably not even going to make us that much money. I'm going to be honest. It's probably not going to make us that much money. I really hope it does, though. Because at the moment, Team Charlie is the only team that is actually doing a damn thing. Which is not great. Is not great. We did make money. We did make money, but we also lost a substantial amount of money. We only made 18 grand. If we look at our balance, then you can see where we spent that 1 million pounds or so on the insurance. Not great, but hey ho. Interest. Let's have a look at the interest. I imagine the interest is somewhat minute. Wow, interest just went through the roof. We're now hitting 5 grand. What about if we funnel more money into here? This is actually going to give us more money in interest. Okay, that's great. Skip over time. You're heading for bankruptcy. Yeah, whatever, we're heading for bankruptcy. It doesn't matter. So how much interest did we get? We got 7 grand in interest. Alright, so this is good. This is really, really good. We're getting towards the point where we could potentially think about running the entire company off interest. I mean, obviously that's a gross simplification of what's going on, but, you know, you get the picture. Get the picture. Okay, so we are pre-marketing. Only sequels? No, not really. Marketing team, marketing. Support team, Team Charlie. Server. We'll do server 0. Server 0. See if that speeds things up at all. What are you guys doing? What are you doing? You're a programmer. You're Team Beta and you're not working. That's a bit disappointing. I expect you to be working, dude. Gravetown in space. Is that ours? I hope not. It's a terrible name. Not like I could come up with anything better, but, you know, hey-ho. Alright, what happened? We lost 7 grand. Not great. Not great, I'll be honest. Can we look at our stocks and shares? Oh, we don't want to buy over our own stocks. Nobody's interested in this stock. What about this one? Can we sell off some of these? Nobody's interested in buying this stock. Nobody's interested in this stock. Nobody's interested in this stock. Ugh, yeah, not great. Not great. Can we trade some of our IPs? Is that possible? Upcoming releases? No, nothing of real interest here. Not really. Can we trade some of our IPs away? Is that possible? Oh, we can also manage our servers. Huh, that's pretty cool. What can we do here? Select fallback. Fallback. I guess they can't really do anything. Server 0. View unsupported processes. Relegate selected. Yeah, I guess we just got a server that does pretty much nothing, but whatever. Who am I to complain? We've got 5 out of 5 or 6 out of 6 reputation. I don't know why you're tired. Maintenance, you are not doing very much, I'm afraid. Might want to go home, take the day off, you know. Go see your family or whatever. That's cool. An employee is hungry and is having trouble working. Why? There's literally a million fridges around everywhere. I don't know why you have this food problem going on right now. It is a bit crazy. Alright, you're heading for bankruptcy. We did actually make a little bit of a profit that month. That's kind of nice. And we had a product that was reviewed. Spacecraft Ultra. Well, that's great. I'm glad that our web-based games are keeping us afloat right now. They're pretty much the only things that are actually making money. Because this next to nothing operating system is just an absolute drain in our finances. It's crazy. It's actually kind of insane. Alright, why is this guy sleeping? Anony Mouse, the founder. Dude, you really shouldn't be sleeping. Nobody should be sleeping on the job. In fact, I would say that, you know, sleeping on the job is terrible. Alright, what are you? You're working at marketing? We don't have any marketing set up. Why? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? I suppose you must be marketing for this. Some pre-marketing. I'm okay with that. You know what? Whatever. As long as it looks like you're doing something, then you're fine with me. That. Oh, what is this? An error occurred. Click here for details. I'm sorry to inform you. What? I was just closing the game. I want to see the error. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Well. You know what? No, just dismiss that. That's fine. Who cares? Who cares? It doesn't really matter anyway. It does not really matter. Alright, we did lose money there. We lost 7 grand. Your company was mentioned in regards to a company takeover. What is this? Cloudback. Review section, business section. Stickblade Studios. For next to nothing. It took me a lot. It took me a lot of stuff. It took me a lot of money to take over Stickblade Studios, and I don't even know why we ended up taking them over. Nobody's interested in this stock. This is premium stock. Why would we want Stickblade Studios? We never wanted Stickblade Studios. They're just useless. That's all. Just terrible. Absolutely awful. But whatever. Nobody's interested in this, and we can't sell this one yet. I know we're heading for bankruptcy, but we're only losing 8 grand a month. So honestly, you know, that's not too bad. We can't really complain about that. Distribution channels. I think we should just go ahead and sign with everybody. Okay, let's make a deal. Let's make a deal. Let's make a deal. Let's make a deal. Alright, you know what? Screw it. It's worth it. It's worth it, you know. Your distribution channel. The Potato Store? Can we make our own distribution channel? I don't really know. Server 0? Are you sure you want to open a distribution channel? You won't be able to change the name later. Yeah. Heck yeah. Revenue cut. We'll undercut this. We'll say a 2.6. Oh, okay. So we're now competing in the distribution market. I guess we're like Steam now. Huh. What about if our distribution channel is exclusively selling our games? What about that, huh? Bet you never thought of that. 13 employees went on vacation. Are you kidding me? Jeez Louise. I'm just letting the game run in the background now. I have no idea what's going on. Absolutely no idea what's going on. Right, so is it possible for our marketing team to... Whoa, my goodness. We lost a lot of money there. We lost a lot of money. Not great. The Potato Store, the popularity is increasing slowly, I think. Is there any chance that we can market Yeah, is there any chance we can market the potato store? Because that would be really, really cool if we could. I would ideally like to do that. Yeah, popularity history. It's going downhill. Yeah, we don't really want to go downhill. Not too keen on that. We've got 6 contracts though, so where does this say? Distribution minus 399. All right. Not great, I'll admit it. It's not fantastic. And the popularity is going down further. But all right, what if we bump the price right up? Is that going to give us some money? That might actually give us a decent shot at making some money. Or, you know, it might be absolutely terrible. But hey ho, I don't decide everything. I'm just a lowly game player. All right, so a 50% cut. Is this gonna make our? Is this gonna help our popularity go up a little bit? I imagine not. However, distribution. Oh no, we still lost money. And the popularity has fallen further. The amount of contracts that we have is 1. Not great. Alright. We'll shrink it down to like 4%. 3.8%. Alright, we'll try that. We'll try that. We'll leave it there. We'll just let it tick over in the background for now. I wanna take out some insurance money. Withdraw. Alright. 480 grand. That should be enough to keep us afloat for at least like half an episode. So I don't think we're in that much of a dangerous territory place. Alright. Worth. Is there any company that's worth nothing? Alright, stock. Oh, accept all enclosed. Yep, I don't care. Congratulations, we just bought a company. We received the rights to 19 products. Beautiful. And I still don't feel enamored. Oh, dirt cheap. Okay, Tango Digital, 104. Great. We literally just bought out everybody. And I feel pretty good about myself, actually. I mean, we've spent £400,000, but whatever, you know? Who cares? You know, we might still run a profit this month. I doubt it, but hey ho. Your company was mentioned in regards to a company takeover. Yeah, I know. We took over like 2 companies then. How crazy was that? Oh my goodness, look at the amount of money. Look at the amount of money. Oh, that's hilarious. That is absolutely crazy. Distribution. How is distribution doing? Distribution is now looking up-ish. What is it here? Minus 210? That's not terrible, you know? It's not terrible. We did receive a lot of rights there, so that's kind of nice, I guess. Not like we're ever going to use them. Not like we plan to use them, but it's always nice to have them, just in case, you know, we feel like changing things up a little bit. But hey ho, I reckon that's going to do it for this episode, ladies and gentlemen. What? Excuse me? What? 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 Something happened. Something happened. And I think it might have been a web-based game. I think it might have been a web-based game that did it for us. What the heck? Release. We need to sort by release. So this one, yeah, it made us 4.4 million. The Goat Ball Killer of Death. Oh my goodness. Trade IP. Nobody's interested in buying this. Are you sure? Oh my goodness, that was crazy. Absolutely crazy. Well, you know what? Let's take this opportunity right now to bang down a couple more servers. That's not how you do it. That's how you do it. And scroll down right to the bottom here and stick in some more servers. You know what? I don't really care where we put them now. Anywhere is fine. If we can't handle Goat Ball of Death, then we're not going to be able to handle our next crazy success. I want to move this one, I think. Overpowered? How do I move this? Move furniture. There we go. Move furniture. Move that there. And I'll get another one in there. Fantastic. Alright, so we spent a little bit of money doing some server stuff. Required power. Alright, these all provide like 200 power. And the required power is only like 45. But does that change with the day? Looks like it does change as the day goes on. Yeah, okay, so required power 225, and that's... I guess it just pings up and down, you know. Swings and roundabouts and all that. Man, oh man, that was crazy. That was crazy. We made a lot of money there. We made a lot of money. Select fallback. Server 1. Select fallback. Server 2. Select fallback. Server 3. Yeah, let's give that a try. See if it works. Or if there's... Is there anything else we can do? Relegate selected. Relegate selected. What does this mean? I don't really know. View unsupported processes. I still don't understand this, but okay. We're making more money than I think has ever been happening before. And I don't understand how to manage servers. Servers. Okay, processes. Alright, the goat ball of death. Relegate selected. Alright, the goat ball of death needs to be taken off the server. How do we remove? Uh-oh. We view unsupported processes. Relegate. Oh, how do we do this? Alright, remove this from there. View unsupported processes. What can we do about this? We need to put it on the server. I mean, this... Is there a way we can do it? In all software, for example? Your releases? Yeah, we'll check here. Okay. Details? No, needs used in features. It is an MMO, so that explains why it's kind of popular. That's great, I guess. Let's market it. Heck yeah. Let's market. Assign this to the marketing team. Who'd you think? I guess we can just leave it on the first server. Oh, in fact, I know what we'll do. We'll remove that from there. View unsupported processes. That there. Relegate selected. Right, and then on the distribution channel. Right, this can be on server 6. Great. Seems to work. Popularity is super low. I don't really care. I'm going to continue pushing for it. We'll take a small little cut so that we can try and reform the market and make it a little bit more interesting. But for now, ladies and gentlemen, my name of course has been Open Potato. Thank you very, very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.